Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fluxbot token. Ticker symbol is Fluxb. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their webpage at fluxbeam.xyz. Over there they have links to their swap, DeFi, you can check out tokens, pools, liquidity. They have a tools section. You can click on the Fluxbot. Their settings, there's a profile section. You can create a profile. You can launch their application. It says Fluxbeam is an experimental DEX operating on the new token standard. So then they have terms and conditions, privacy policy, all sorts of links all over the place on their webpage for you to check out. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, it just got listed on there, so it's available now. If you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Fluxb, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token just got listed also on CoinGecko. So there was a recent tweet here on their Twitter from November 16th saying that we are now live on CoinGecko. So if you want to check out the chart, the price, find any links, you could find them all there on CoinGecko as well. So if you follow their Twitter at FluxbeamDex, D-E-X, that's where you're going to find a lot of updates. So their webpage kind of has scarce information because it's mostly just the utilities. You could use the utilities on their webpage, the ones I mentioned at the beginning of this video. That's where you can use the bot and all that type of stuff. And they have 1,170 tweets, so that's where you're going to find tons of info is on their Twitter there. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. They also have a Telegram. We'll get to that in a second, but yeah, you could find tons of info on here, over 1,100 tweets on there. Blue verified check mark. It says, did you know Fluxbot can notify you of any new token pools created on Solana? So then they have little things like, here's a quick video, and there'll be like a 24-second video. Here's a quick video that shows how to turn this on and what the notifications will look like. So they have little tutorials there basically on their Twitter that you could review. All sorts of cool stuff there. They show their new listings, their new partnerships. So like I mentioned, this is a Solana token, and they have a Sol scan that you could check out. So it says right now they have 15,081 holders. So they're doing very well. A market cap of $12,147,344. It says token price right now is about 2.4 cents per token. Fluxbot, all one word's the name of the token. And then the ticker symbol is Fluxb. So it says owner program is token 2022 program. Transfer fee is 3% if you're going to use a decentralized exchange. 5 decimal places on this token. So they also have a Soul Scan if you want to check out their the Token 2022 program. And then their Telegram that I mentioned earlier is at Fluxbeam_bot. It says the first Solana Telegram trading bot, allowing users to quickly and easily interact with the Solana blockchain. And that's what's available on their webpage there. Now looking at their CoinGecko here, this token is actually down 26.6% today, sitting at about 1.7 cents per token. So it kind of took a dive. Maybe after, it gets listed on a central exchange, sometimes a lot of people ape in and then slowly sell off there. So maybe that's what's happening, but you never know what's going to happen in the future, if it's going to go back up or continue to go down. That's crypto. So on CoinGecko, you can actually find a full white paper as well that's going to have tons of info on there. So Fluxbot provides easy access to crypto trading and services through an easy-to-use Telegram UI user interface. So there is also a step-by-step guide, tutorials on how to use the Telegram bot. So they claim to be Solana's #1 Telegram trading bot, the ultimate Telegram bot for traders on the move. And some of the bot features, they have a token swap, so instantly buy and sell tokens across Solana, including Token 22, utilizing Jupe.ag for optimal swap routes, ensuring you always get the best price. They have an AI assistant, so simply type your request and let our AI build the optimal set of transactions. And they have a token sniper, so snipe tokens as soon as they launch across Fluxbeam and Radium. Radium is a decentralized exchange for Solana, kind of like PancakeSwap for BSC. And it says backed by RugCheck token verification. So they also have limit orders, so you can buy and sell tokens at a specific price, executed with precision across all Solana. And then dollar cost averaging, buy and sell tokens over a period of time. And copy trader, so copy trade other wallets in real time as they make trades across the Solana ecosystem. And they also have lending and borrowing. So lend or borrow to earn passive APR with the power of MarginFi. And real-time notifications. Receive instant notifications around any on-chain activity on your wallet. So as you can see, there is tons of utilities here for this Fluxbot. And you can launch all the stuff off their webpage, fluxbot.xyz. They have tutorials on there. If you want to find the white paper, like I said, just go over to CoinGecko. They actually have 2 different telegrams linked on their page that you could find as well. And on their white paper, you can also find a roadmap. It talks about reflections here. So if we go over the Fluxb token, we pretty much went over the tokenomics already. Total supply, 500 million. 3% tax. And so it says you get 50% of that goes to holders. So 1.5% reflections, and then 25% of that tax goes to LP, 25% for team and operating expenses. And then it says 40% of Fluxbot service fees go to holders as well. How the token split up: 80% token release, fair launch, 12% user rewards, 5% reserves, 3% ecosystem. So they also have a roadmap. So it basically starts with enable fast onboarding of non-crypto users, improve the fiat crypto process to increase speed and efficiency, integrate the best functionality to the ecosystem and what it has to offer, build out more Token 22 contracts and DeFi offerings, leverage Token 22 and its extensions for additional utility, send and request tokens without having to open or install another app, onboard new users through tokenized incentives and referrals, implement Fluxbeam LP fees into Fluxb, Fluxbot wallet login, and then frictionless onboarding for non-crypto users, access simple savings accounts with good APR, and simplified borrow-lend experience. So you can find their, if you want to just skip to their white paper, you can just go to docs.fluxbot.xyz. But go check this token out on CoinGecko. I just got listed on Mexc Global, so check out all the referral codes down there if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.